Okay, right. Guys, so we're back, and then last time we did select a reading. Actually, we were reading data from the database, and this time we're gonna go back quick. So stop us focus at the way to update. So it's a yeah. So the update it's basically changing data that exists in a database already. So that's update you. Liyatisho phela lapho. So okay, because ngibe slow nyalo bese ngiqalile kufaka i-PHP yethu. So it's no longer select nyalo, but then nokuthi query 3 la sasenda kwesi 3 and then okay, fetch akatsineki la, fetch akatsineki. Okay, so yeah, even the whole of this statement, this thing. So yeah, actually delete is the same as nalona like lamanye ma statement ahluka singawadinga ngcono from start to the end. So this one is the same as update. So maning ma projects long one SQL. So my links actually my website one to file on the description below, and then yeah, and then if it's in my codes or even a group chat to file on the description below because we'll go contact her easy. So update bese lokulandzelako table name yethu it's CRUD, and then lo sekutanyalo la. Okay, awuthi cala ngibhale bese kutoba lula ukuthi ngi-explain. So actually it's update here, not update. It's update here. So it's set, so it's better ukuthi ngivule database to this side. Yeah. As yeah, it's best to ngivule database to the side. So since it's in a, for example, set name right equals to person it's a future pay. Okay, nickname yamle future pay right where it's very important guys, because we are specify what's it ufuna kushintsha kuphi exactly, right? So where name or singasho ukuthi where name or where ID angithola. So ngime kuphela na 23 right? So where age is equals to 2023. Mara this is not a good practice guys, because if bekungasinyimi kuphela lona 23 bekutokhoza wonke umuntu ligama lakhe belushintsha selibamfisha payable. So i-good practice ukuthi ufake i-condition vele le-specify exactly lokhu umuntu oshoyo. In this case, since ngimi kuphela lona 23 ngitosho njalo. So and also ngifuna kufaka this thing, ngifuna kufaka le lona le JavaScript, because ngiyo lesichecka ngayo ukuthi le nto lesiyentako i-succeed-ile over here. So ngizokhipha lama comments lawa but nyalo sizothi data updated. It's data updated. See. So if you come here and then you say refresh. Okay, so there are a lot of things wrong now. What are they? So yeah, it's not select here, it's update. Because yeah, the minute copy and paste it as well. So refresh. Okay, what's happening here? 25. Oh, it's query 3 this time. It's query 3. Guys, it's query 3. So maybe next time we careful not that something wrong at all, because I got possible. So data updated, guys. So if you come here and refresh, maybe in the future be right now. So if you refresh, it's okay, still it's a load. Okay, it's now future based, guys. So angifuni beyitse le tutorial lena ne. So kwanyalo bengikhombisa update i-value. So lo munye uthi for example what if leti number tiyafana la. Okay, let's say awuthi ngishintshe i-age bonke ngifune babe na ngifuna kusetha i-age bonke ngifuna babe na 30 for example labahlala eMpumalanga. Oh, let's say labahlala eLimpopo province Limpopo, right? Ngifuna kwenda to my example Limpopo, right? See. So wonke umuntu lo ohlala eLimpopo, these two girls lama twin cause banesibongo lesi1 bana 30, right? So if ngitana refresh data updated, right? Then check out database too. Refresh, it's a loader. Maybe these two been at 30 years because near equally to late. Okay, as you can see, 7 at 8 years, right? So you can play around ngalama condition, ngalama set nana but kwanyalo bengikhombisa go update i-data kwi condition ya bese update i-value kahle la bese update i-value so nyalo ngifuna kuya ku let's say sesi-add i-column sitofaka i-column let's say Stotsi city, for example, stofaka column egcineni city. So say copy and paste all of this. Copy and paste all of this. Copy, but then ngifuna kuyivala this thing. Ngifuna kuyivala. Bese lana ngifuna ukuvala this thing. They say it's but then it shows kumele fast guys. So yeah, so nyalo sifuna ku add i-column, so sizothi alter table CRUD, right? Oh yeah, i-table name yethu CRUD, and then sifuna ku add i-column, so it's just add column of specify column name yethu it's city, column name yethu it's city, sifuna ukuthi city, right? And then kuma brackets sebese sifaka i-data type. So i-data type ngileyikhumbulako le ekucaleni le yabo vachana nani, so sitofaka i-vacha sifuna ibe 50 characters long. I don't know what ngibhale right kumele ngifake i-comma la, but then yeah, i-vacha sifuna ibe 50 blah blah blah. Bese same things first sizothi column edit, for example, sithi column edit la, column edit for example. Now to save for sure yonke into kumele check out ngibona ukuthi khona khona kwendele table name and then add why lo add ngayo. Okay, something went wrong, so something again for example lo CRUD bekumele kube lo add man kumele abe ready. I don't know what's happening. Oh, kumele ngithi add column add column add column, what's happening? Hey, add column. Guys, it spend lana, but then I was pause kancane la video ngabe yithi call ngithi pause. Oh, okay guys, so i-error yami i-error the simple angathi how come so actually it's only 50 longena kuma brackets, not this thing, and then some keep another column. So if you can say save and then come here and then say refresh, it should say column edit. Oh, why is it so slow? Okay, column edit, right? And then okay, I think stop and refresh. Refresh. So kumele sibe na ekugcineni, right? Okay, sure. Aze aba slow manje ngifuna ukusheshe ngicede ngalesi thing mina. Why into so? Okay. So as you can see, sesina CT ekugcineni, and sikude ama-value because asikawafakanga. And whenever we want to delete a column, okay, I was saying delete it. So whenever we want to delete a column, we just say drop column, column, and then we no longer write the data type and whatsoever. Then whenever we say save and then it's refresh, you use column edit as the text yethu la. Column edit, okay, but then if it's a refresh kumele ingasekhona this thing. Isaloader. Okay, slow is I am. Okay, so load licedzile, we no longer have C today. So yeah guys, so ngitotonke leto tinto lesitenda ku-update actually. Update values, update nama column. Singayishintsha ne-column possible ukuthi siyishintshe tonke le tinto leto. So yeah, that's it for today. If nama questions lamaningi or ufuna explain more to a section lo ngakayibhisisi kahle, still ungangitext, and the code layer angeke ngiyi-delete just in case uyayifuna nani, so itosolela nathi ngito yi-comment out nani. So yeah, see you ku final video delete guys. So yeah, delete. Okay, stop now.